Today we will practice answering questions using the present progressive verb tense. If you need a review of this verb tense, check out my present progressive video first and then come back to this video. This video will use vocabulary from my action verbs video. Feel free to review those verbs as well and then come back to practice them here. This video has two parts. In the first part, you will answer the questions with yes or no. In the second part, you will answer the questions with a complete sentence using the present progressive verb tense. Part 1 Directions. Listen to the question. Look at the picture. Then answer the question with yes, he, she, it is, or no, he, she, or it isn't. If the question is asking about more than one person, you can answer yes, they are, or no, they aren't. Let's begin. Are they crying? No, they aren't. They are laughing. Is he singing? No, he isn't. He is listening to music. Is he drawing? Yes, he is. Is he throwing a ball? No, he isn't. He is catching a ball. Is she writing? Yes, she is. Are they playing guitar? Yes, they are. Is she pushing the suitcase? No, she isn't. She's pulling the suitcase. Is he kicking the ball? Yes, he is. Is she talking? No, she isn't. She is thinking. Are they crawling? No, they aren't. They are climbing. Part 2 Directions. Listen to the question, look at the picture, then answer the question in a complete sentence using the present progressive verb tense. For example, with this picture, I would say, he is jumping. What are they doing? They are cleaning. What are they doing? They are dancing. What is he doing? He is reading. What is she doing? She is talking. What is he doing? He is running. What are they doing? They are singing. What is she doing? She is jumping. What is he doing? He is throwing a ball. What are they doing? They are eating. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you had a great speaking practice. Feel free to let me know in the comments below what you would like my next video to be about, and check back soon for more videos. Subscribe today so you don't miss the next one.